What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Atewe. I am back after a long break, but we are doing my wash day routine for my kinky curly sew-in, and we're going to be using products from the Dippity Do Girls with Curls hairline. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's begin. So as y'all saw me spray down my hair and then kind of finger detangle outside the shower. So now we're just rinsing everything down because she's dirty. She's very dirty. There's a mix of products in here, and now that I've realized like what I like to use, I've realized like curl puddings, not my jam. I don't like it. I like light fluffy hair. So the gel mousse combo, sickening. Okay, so I'm using the curl shampoo from the Dippity Do Girls with Curls hairline, and I'm just running, basically like smoothing the hair through and also raking my fingers through as well. I'm not using this shampoo or this hair, I'm not using the shampoo and the conditioner on my actual hair, but I'm using it for like my sewing. I'm not sure where the bundles are from, guys. Like, a lot of people have been asking me where they're from. I have absolutely no idea. I got them from my hair store. I literally went behind the counter, saw that there was 4 bundles there, took them with me, brought it home, asked my dad where they're from. He said it's from his vendor. Okay, that's all the information I got. All right, so y'all saw we raked the what's it called, the curl conditioner through my hair, and we used my detangle brush. Everything that I'm using in this video will be in my Amazon storefront, and that is linked below down in the description box. Okay, so right now I'm using a clarifying shampoo on my actual hair, because if I don't use a clarifying shampoo, I will be miserable because of how itchy my head gets. All right, so y'all see me, I'm just rinsing everything out under the shower, making sure I'm scratching the heck out of my scalp, making sure I'm getting my entire hairline, because girl, the gel, all the products, it's not my kind of jam. All right, so after each section was washed and conditioned, I like to twist it so I know I'm not like going back into it to making sure, like, you know, a repetitive process. Okay, so we're taking each twist and then we're unraveling it, and I'm going to take my curl boosting mousse, and I'm going to take like 4 or 5 pumps. I don't even know how many that was. That looked like a lot. Okay. And as you can see from my face, I realized that it was a lot. So I'm just raking my hands through the curls, and then just smoothing it from the root to the tip. And then I'm also going to take the Dippity Do Girls with Curls jelly, and it's pink. You know, it's very pink, and I like that it's light hold, so it's not, my hair won't be crunchy, so that as days go by it'll get more big and big, because I love big hair. Okay, like day 1 or 2 hair is not my jam, but day 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 post, until I decide to go and retouch my wash and go, sickening. Love it a lot. So I'm just raking it through, making sure I'm smoothing it, and then I go get my detangling brush, and then I brush it through. This is a close-up of how it runs through. I love this hair. It is so soft. Oh my god, I'm in love. All right, and then I'm just doing another section by section. Y'all will just see me go throughout my entire head, and then we're just gonna brush it through. This is a repetitive process, going through each twist and section, making sure that everything is coated in the gel and the mousse. All right, and then once all the tracks are done, it's time to do my actual leave out. So I'm taking my Revlon Equave Hydra Nutritive Detangling Conditioner. My hair loves this stuff. I'm just spraying it all over, making sure it's raked through. And then I am taking some leave-in conditioner, and then I am also going, so how I like to blend my leave out to my to the hair is I'll take like the gel and the mousse, and I'll put it on my actual hair as well, and then I'll brush it through, combining like the anchor braid, the surrounding braid that's closest to my hairline, and then I'll cornrow my actual hair with the anchor track or whatever it's called, and then braid it all the way down until my hair ends, and then I'll do like a finger coil towards the end so it doesn't unravel. So that's basically it. That's how I get my leave out to match my hair. And then I always want to make sure that my hair is fully dry, because I realize when my hair isn't fully dry after what is in the cornrow, it doesn't really blend as well. You got me? Yeah, you know. So we're doing like the part now. I'm cornrowing my hair, and then I'm going to continue to grab some of the anchor track that's right beside it. I kind of wish I knew how to flat twist. I don't know, like the mechanics behind it, the way the communication from my brain to my hand, it doesn't work out. So cornrowing is just best for me. It's just easier because flat twist, I don't know, it's just something there's a miscommunication between my brain and my hands. I don't know what happens. All right, and then once I am all done, I will put some edge control, even though I hate it, and I'll slick my leave out back, and then I'll take like a satin scarf and then just have that pressed up against where my leave out is, so it's like nice and flat and sleek, you know, and then tie it down. And then in this case, usually I just let it air dry, but no, I did let it air dry, but I went outside because it was 34 degrees this day. And I literally just sat outside and my hair dried within like between 45 minutes to an hour. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how the hair looks. I love it. It's so freaking soft. I'm in love. Oh, I'm in love. I love it so much. So this is how it looks after it's air dried. It's fluffed up a bit. I shake my hair out because I like it big. And then this is me at 5 a.m. in the morning. I am not in the mood because I was on my way to work. And then as you see, my leave out is like flat, and now we're just going to unravel all the braids and the cornrows just to make sure that everything matches. And then I'm also going to use my Curl Boost spray to spray out the hair just to make sure that, you know, it's like nice and lively and all things of that nature. Okay, I'm still unraveling the hair. Now I'm shaping it to how I want it to look, and this is how it ends up looking. I love it. Oh, she's sickening. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. All right, bye-bye.